If you run a small business and want a simple way to manage customers, track deals, and stay organized, Pipedrive can help. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Pipedrive for small business step by step. First, log in to your Pipedrive account and complete your basic setup. Add your business details, choose your currency, and set your time zone so everything stays accurate. Next, start building your customer list by adding contacts. You can manually add people or import existing customer data from a spreadsheet. For small businesses, keeping things simple is key. Create a pipeline with basic stages like new lead, contacted, proposal, and won or lost. Now start adding deals for each potential customer. Include important details like deal value, expected close date, and current stage in the pipeline. To avoid missing opportunities, schedule activities like calls, emails, or meetings for every deal. This keeps your sales process active and organized. Pipedrive reports help you understand how your small business is performing, track revenue, conversion rates, and deal progress to make better decisions. You can also use automation to save time. Set up simple rules like creating follow-up tasks when a deal moves to a new stage. If you have a team, invite them to your workspace so everyone can manage deals, update contacts, and stay on the same page. And that's how to use Pipedrive for small business. So once everything is set up, you'll have a clear system to manage customers and grow your sales more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.